Good day everyone, welcome to Lit Talk. This is your bite-sized podcast on literature through the lens of the different perspective. I am Joshua De La Cruz and my partner Jane Sharina Ismilio.
Today we're going to the historical drama film directed by Gerald Tarog.
From a historical, it can be argued that the thesis of this discussion is General Luna is an example of a historical film that shows bravery and leadership.
General Antonio Luna is known for his bravery and military power. He was born on October 29, 1866 and became one of the most prominent general of the Philippines during the Philippine Revolution against the Americans.
His bravery and discipline are evident in the battle he fought in the battle as the Battle of Manila, Battle of Caloocan, and Battle of Pulilan, where he showcased his tactical skill and leadership.
He was appointed Director of War on September 26, 1898 due to his demonstrated bravery and military expertise.
Second point of discussion is leadership. Through General Luna's leadership, he aimed to create a strong and undefiled army that could defend the country, independence and sovereignty. His legacy continued to inspire Filipino and serve as a model of military leadership.
General Luna was an excellent military leader during the Philippines Revolution. His leadership is characterized discipline. He implemented strict discipline in the army to maintain order and unity. His strategies developed plans and strategies to fight against the Americans, achieve Philippines independence.
So next time you watch historical films like General Luna, look at it through the historical lens. You'll find more layers than you expected.
Thanks for turning into Lit Talk. Until next time, keep reading and keep questioning. If there are still things you want to learn, don't forget to always listen or watch on YouTube or Google to learn more about historical things and about General Antonio Luna. I hope you learned something about historical.